Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the JBL headphones. This is a new model that JBL has recently launched and it is called Live 400 BT. So why wait my friends, let's open this up. So as you can see here there is a small So as you can see here, it is from JBL by Harman, and this supports. Let me zoom in. Yes, this supports Google Assistant as well as Alexa, and ambient aware. Like if you want to listen to your whereabouts, like when you are listening to music, and some of your friend or colleague is sitting beside you or side of you and he wants to talk with you, then you can just click one button and you can able to hear him as well as the music. In this headphone you can also answer calls, and this is a multi-point connection, like you can connect to different devices. So in the meantime, if you want to switch to some other device, you can do it with just one click. Comfort fit fabric headband, like these bands that we see here, these are fabric bands, actual textile comfort, and detachable audio cable. So inside the box we also get a detachable audio cable. So and we'll check what other thing is mentioned on the sides. So as you can see here it is also mentioned here for Google Assistant support and Alexa. Touch to talk, and on the front this is the what the box looks like. So you can hear music up to 24 hours with single full charge. It also supports quick charge, so with charge of around 15 minutes 20 minutes you can hear 2 hours of song. Here also it's mentioned like wireless, ambient aware, voice assistant. So let's open this up, check. Okay, it's just a pull tab here. So there are two seal here in this side. If the seal is broken, then don't receive the product. I have pulled it. Now just hold it like this and pull it out. Be careful to make this straight. Push it. Yes, it's out. As you can see here it is mentioned the model what we get in the inside the box. I think these are the details. So let's open this up. So this is the JBL headphones itself. It is of the blue color, as you can see here, and it has quite good elasticity to it. These paddings are really nice, and these are also really good. As I can feel, these are very soft to hear. Here it is right and left, it is mentioned here. On the this is a micro USB charging port, and you have got volume up down button with power on off, and 3.5 mm headphone jack, Bluetooth connect, as well as this button that I was talking about. This button is the technology that we were discussing on the box, that is the ambient aware. With this button, clicking this button, you can able to hear your friends or colleagues, that those who are around you while using your headphones. Keeping this aside, we get your a charging cable. We also get 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable. This is a braided cable, as you can see here, and yes, we do get a user manual where it is mentioned Google Assistant, how to set up the Google Assistant and all. Yes, these are the things. So let's connect this Bluetooth device and check how it really feels and hears the music. in the ear. I connected this to my phone and I heard a song or two, and I found out that the sound quality is really nice. And these buttons are really working with both the iOS and Android device. This is the pass-through button. It also works really fine. This is the Bluetooth button. If you want to reset your device, then this is your volume down and volume up. This is the play, pause, and next back button. One click is pause, double click is next, triple click is back. And this is the Bluetooth on off button. And that's all here. And the material is really nice. I like it. The color is good. It looks leather, but it's really soft and all. It's very nice. Overall, the sound quality is good as compared to the price and all. It comes around 6,000 rupees if you buy it from Samsung website. Because my friends, nowadays you might be hearing somewhere that Samsung has bought Harman company. Then Harman also makes speakers like JBL, Infinity, and Harman itself. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to answer you all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.